It's Monday morning and we can tell it. Got here to the lot and heard something running. We've got a water leak. So we're gonna go check it out. Hubby's on his way to cut the water off to get it fixed. When it rains, it pours, they say. But figure out what's going on with it. It's spraying out pretty good over here. Not sure. He's on his way to get the water cut off. Got a lot to get done. He'll be here in a minute. We'll figure this out. Karen's gonna work at it, see if she can get it out. You gonna go get a screwdriver? You're gonna need a screwdriver. Yep. Nope. Let me go. Let me get a screwdriver. She got it open.
I'll come up.
Yeah. I think that's what just turns it off.
Yeah, because it'd have to be.
Yeah. Let me go down there and check it. Well, she got it to turn off. I'm not sure where it's leaking at. Well, we got the water turned off. Thanks to Miss Karen. She's always good at everything. And we got a plumber on the way. Hub's over here. We're going to go out here and check out this Ford. He's hurt his ankle. He's a hobbling this morning. But we're going to check out this new Ford we got. It's a 1970, I believe, with a big block. So
Yeah.
we're going to check it out and maybe stick a battery in it and try to see if it'll fire up. Yeah. Ooh, it's cold. Wind's supposed to blow about 25 miles an hour today. Oh gosh, I thought that was a snake. It's a rope.
Yeah, it's a.
It's gonna be cool today, that wind. Well, it might have started out as a bad day, but it's getting better. We sold this Alfa Romero. We had a gentleman come visit us today, driving this General Lee. Behind it, we're glad he's here. He stopped to look at some of our stuff. So we're always glad to see these cars come through our lot, get some history on them. Well, like I said, you never know who's going to show up. So we've got the General Lee and we've got Peter here. We're going to walk out there and look at it, and he's going to tell us a little bit about it.
Cool.
That's a nice car.
Thank you.
You said you've had it for about 15 years?
Actually, almost 30 years.
30 years?
Yeah.
Okay.
The car was actually restored back in 1992. And it's not an exact replica. There's some things that are a little different with it and whatnot. But
Well, it's a nice car.
yeah, it's been all up and down the East Coast. It travels everywhere. And I could show you. It's signed by almost all the cast members and stuff.
Well, I know when I saw you pulling in, I was like, oh my gosh. That's a nice car. What size engine's in it?
It's got the original 383 big block in
Okay.
it. Yeah, with 727.
Oh my gosh, look at that. That is neat.
Every main cast member besides Boss Hog and Uncle Jesse, they were passed away.
Yeah.
But every other main cast member's on there.
You got Daisy Duke on here?
Yep, Daisy Duke's right here in the middle here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well,
And,
I'll be dang.
the other two that everybody asks me is John Schneider. John Schneider's right here, and Tom Wilpass right here. So
Oh, yeah.
the Bo, Luke, and Daisy, and all the sheriffs.
Cooter, is it Cooter? No, Cletus.
Yeah, Cooter's up top. So you got Cletus,
Yep.
Enos,
Yep.
Sheriff Little, Roscoe.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then Cooter's up here, and that's his wife up there. But
Well, I'll be dang.
yeah.
That is really neat. That is so neat. And so it's got the big block in it, huh?
Yep, got the 383 big block. It was rebuilt about 11 years ago. So it's the original motor. Transmission's never been touched. It's got about 150,000 miles on it. The rear end's the only thing that I actually had to replace.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
You
That's nice. I'm so glad you drove by.
I'm glad I took a wrong turn.
Yeah, the wrong turns turn out good sometimes, don't they?
It does,
Yeah. That's great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So you're out of Atlanta?
Yeah, I'm a half an hour south of Atlanta, out of Griffin, Georgia.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Do you have a shop or anything?
Yeah, the shop that I have is actually, it's Hazard Garage LLC out of Griffin, Georgia. So if you were to Google Hazard Garage LLC, you'll see it comes up with me on there. And
In Griffin, Georgia?
in Griffin, Georgia.
Hey.
Yeah. Yep.
All righty.
And you can actually, if you can see that, that's my. If anybody wants to check out my page, that's my name on my page, and you can follow me and whatnot. I got a ton of followers, and I'm always doing something interesting.
Hey, well, we'll have to check you out and subscribe to you and see what we can get some pointers from you and stuff. That is great.
Sounds great.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
He stopped by to see us. That was a great little visit. Really neat. Has a garage out of Griffin, Georgia. That was neat, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Wonder if he'll.
I don't know. Reckon he'll do a burnout?
No, he might. He might, babe. Well, something like that'd be nice with one of them big Hemis in.
Yeah.
Newer Hemis. Oh, he's even got the horn.
Oh, he does. Hey guys, well, the plumber showed up. He's really good. We call him all the time. He does plumbing and he does some construction, some handyman service. It's Kendy's Handyman Service. Kendy's Handy Service at gmail.com, or the number is 706-491-3682. Give him a call. This is Kenny over here. Hey Kenny.
Hey.
He's gonna fix us up and get us going. If you need some plumbing or some construction, give him a call. Well, we made it home. Didn't we, Molly? Yes, we did. And we had a good day. General Lee came by. We got the water fixed. Everything turned out really good for a Monday. She can't figure out where I'm at. Hey, if you like our videos, hit subscribe, hit like. We appreciate you watching. Molly, she's about to go out. She's going to take her a nap. We're going to cook some supper and call her a day.